Hello creative people, welcome back to the brand new video by mhrabby. In this video, I'm going to review the latest UniConverter 13.5 from Wondershare. You can use UniConverter 13.5 for converting your videos, recording your screen, also for video editing. So guys, we have a great video for today, so let's get started and have some fun.
We live in a world full of media streams, social platforms and devices. Countless files in different formats can cause quite a few headaches. Emails don't support oversized files. Space is running out on the phone, and large videos take too long to upload. Meet Wondershare UniConverter 13 with new designs and packed with powerful features, the all-in-one video toolbox you ever need. Simply drop your files and find over thousands of formats and presets to cover anything you need for videos, audio, social platforms, devices, and images. Converting multiple files with the GPU accelerations at lightning speed. Just one click away. Simple slider control and ability to preview file size help you find the perfect settings to compress your videos. You can also trim clips and change orders. Crop them to different aspect ratios, adjust speed, add watermarks, and combine clips into one. The screen recording feature allows you to share gaming highlights with the webcam, host a presentation with on-screen paint tool, or schedule recording a live stream on exact date and time. When you finish, the smart trimmer intelligently analyzes audio and trims off silent pauses. Adding subtitles is now easy with the auto generator and saves your precious time. UniConverter provides a lot more. Turn this cute cat into a meme. Transfer your favorite music from CDs. Load up to 8K videos with the built-in player and conversion support. So now your phone's free of space. Emails get sent, and you can share your moments instantly. Wondershare UniConverter, your complete video toolbox. Download and try it free now.
Visit the Wondershare website to purchase UniConverter. I'll give you all the links in the description down below, so feel free to check them out. You will get annual plan for around $40. 2 years plan will cost you $56 and the lifetime access will cost around $80. Also, you can try it for free. Now let's move on to UniConverter and see how it works. You can convert your videos, download from YouTube and other platforms, compress your videos, edit your videos, merge, record screen, burn DVD. Also, you can use this as your media player and many more. Let's start with converting a video. Just drag your video and drop it here. Click on Format to customize the video resolution. You can change the video format depending on your video, audio, device, and web preference. Also, you can add effects while you are converting your videos. Use crop, add color grading, place your watermark, add subtitle, and adjust your audio. Also, you can trim your video from here. Now click on Convert and it will start converting. Now click on the Finished tab. Then you will find all the converted videos. Now let's move on to Downloader. Click on the box and it will automatically detect the link that you copied. You can download video, audio, thumbnail and subtitle. You can compress your video size depending on megabytes. You can give the footage a simple edit inside UniConverter. Now let's explore the screen recorder. You can adjust the screen size and aspect ratio manually by adjusting the number. You can record up to 60 frames with this recorder. You can also record your webcam and microphone. There are so many options to play with, so give some time and explore them all. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Also thank you to Wondershare for sponsoring this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed the video. Give a thumbs up to my video. Also subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. See you next time. Till then, have some fun.